Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay?
What's up? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the
Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bag covered the way I paved. Zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling.
What's up, everybody? I don't know why. I kind of feel like shit today.
Water.
I have a water. How's chat? How you guys feeling? I would love for you to type in the chat so that we can communicate out of love. Out of love and happiness. Good morning, Flip. Good morning, Mdols. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, George, Nico, Real Deal, Yeti, Asaf, Mamba, 007, Terriot, J. Perez, Khan, Yeezus, Bulux, Nexisi, Ghastly, Underwater, Savage, Clem, Docky, Bubba Stoner, Michael W. Who am I missing? Some J. We got Buffett. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Haha. I have an idea. If there aren't 10 messages in the next 5 seconds, we're ending stream for today.
And
Alright. I'm just testing. Like, are we alive? Come on.
what's going on? Do it.
Do
you
it.
won't.
You won't. I won't.
He was hovering over. He thought about it.
I did think about it. If I was angry, maybe I would do it.
We don't get that joke.
Yeah. I sometimes forget.
I sometimes forget they're not here with us live.
Yeti, you're in the car? 2 Mexicans in a car. No. It's actually not. It is actually not. Wow, look at that volatility. So we had 8:30 news. Not much happened. Me and Ace both want lower first before reversal.
I mean, it is like 100 points from the news. More than.
Yeah. But like the news dumped and then it pushed up like 80 points. And then dumped.
Reclaim of Android. Still wouldn't like it.
Yeah. I still don't like that.
Until we're above 850. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today is a Thursday, and we did have 8:30 news. Like John said, we had unemployment claims. Tomorrow, we have Your Mom in My Bed, and then we will begin trading. So it's going to be a sick.
Is their mom in your bed bullish or bearish?
See how good she is. Trying to push down here. Let's see what goes on.
Yo, we fucking printed yesterday. Yesterday was actually a banger.
How banger is banger?
I don't know. It just felt like one of those days where like everybody was green and then so many people just called it a day and then left.
Oh, that's every day. Next question.
Loki is every day. Loki.
Oh man, yo, we're printers.
All right, chat. Let's see
Yo,
how much.
have you seen our print? Look how hard.
Huh. Wow. That was beautiful. Hello, Mr. Pasta. All right, chat. I want to see how good your guys' TA is. Are you long or short? Bullish or bearish on the day?
I want to see how bullish or how good their TA is. Make sure to use code PHUB on all props that we offer. And that's how I'll dictate whether or not your TA is good.
Yep.
Oh,
Zulu
a joke.
says short to Asia.
Should I show them something messed up?
Yeah, fuck it.
Guys, look at this. Can you see it on cam?
Zulu and George are both.
Wow. Can you guys see that? I got insanely burnt in Colombia, and no one would believe me. And I kept saying, I'm like, guys, I'm burnt to shit. I'm burnt to a crisp. And they're all like, bro, you're dark. You're Filipino. Like, you can't get burnt. Literally, I'm like in the shower. I'm like, ow, ow, ow. Next thing you know, I come back and it's just my whole back is peeling. My forehead is peeling. My nose is peeling. Shit.
You're not a real Filipino.
I mean, yeah, because we're here in Canada where it's always freaking snowing and shit. I'm not used
For
to the
real.
sun. What does the sun look like?
Good morning, Oscar.
Top of the morning to you.
Good morning, Flip.
Top of the
Good
morning
morning,
to
good
you.
morning. But yeah, Zulu and George, you guys both basically have the same TA. Pretty much.
Oh, that's the wrong chart. Bing, bang, boom.
Pasta said, I'm doing some TA on the S&P right now. I'll send my pick and let you guys know. Bet. It's gonna be a picture of like his breakfast or something.
Nah,
What?
it's going to be like small N-word penis.
Whatever the market
Because we
gives
can
us,
go
no bias.
faster. Tell me
understand.
the password.
I understand. You know what? I think today we're gonna have a very chill day, and we're gonna hit PDPT, call it a stream, do the daily breakdown for the premium. Our premium is such printers, dude.
You don't mind it off of this 750.
I
And
don't
then
mind it
like
either.
quick invalidation underneath.
I still would want a sweep of that 47. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm going to keep switching. Is that an issue? Oh, well, that's. I need to make sure that I can trade NQ
We've
and
done
gold.
it again. Short plan out. W Zul. Mr. Zulu. Haha. All right, guys, listen. So I had a coffee this morning, and then I also had like a quarter of a monster. But I want another monster. Is that like is that dangerous? Ooh, let me see. Something like this? Oh, the code P-Hub reversal. All right, guys. Pasta is now officially our main analyst for the server. As
And
you can
editor.
see,
That was
his
sexy.
his charting says use code PHUB for all the best prop discounts possible, baby. I also have a plan very soon, probably after my next payout. I want to buy like 15 to 20 accounts across all props and then just trade syncer them. And then just baby them and get like $1 million, billion, trillion dollars.
Everyone is like, yeah, that's all our dream. How do we start with the payout?
Although I don't think you need caffeine
Look at
at
that
all.
long off of 750.
For real. No, it's a valid balance. I just have a system. I am a statistician, and I need to follow my system. Can I do that with you? Do what? Run like 20 accounts? It would be pretty banger. Like a part of me wants to do it on Apex, but a part of me doesn't want to do it on Apex, you know? I'd have to figure out what accounts I wanna. The problem is I
apparently
don't
there's
have
a
a
new
system.
issue with Apex.
That's the thing. It's like I don't know if I trust to just like run that on
Yeah.
Apex.
So people
Like,
like
in all
Apex was
transparency.
known for like running the bag, right? Like if you wanted to make like $100,000, you would do it on Apex. The thing apparently right now with their new accounts, like they're trying to protect their back end and all of that, is they just started pushing people live, right? Because they never had a live program. So apparently, as soon as you're eligible for a big fat payout, guess what they're doing?
Push you live.
They push you live. So it's still possible to get really, really good payouts on Apex. Like we're still affiliated with them. Don't get me wrong. We're not shitting on them necessarily. But
But it just depends how you want to run it.
yeah, if you're trying to gamble, get a fucking massive bag and think that you're secured, like I would think again. It is definitely possible to get like 3K per account and you're absolutely printing. There's 50, 60K for you.
That's doable for sure.
Yeah, it's 100% doable. But if you're expecting like, oh, I'm gonna get $1 million payout, it's not possible anymore.
Yeah. But even then, I'll take a 50, 60. You know what I'm saying?
What are your thoughts on the Amazon option? I mean, the market did drop, so it doesn't have the market sympathy with it. I'm probably gonna have to cut and look for a re-entry on Amazon. So we're gonna have to see how it responds to the open. If she continues to flush and hold underneath that 10 mark that I put for the SL, then I'm gonna cut.
Yeah, how does that work with Apex? Do they let you take the payout when they move you live or no? Because I know a
I go
lot.
live.
Like, let's say you make like 200 on Apex, and then they want to push you live. They still have to pay you out, no? Or do they have some like
No,
weird ass
a lot of
rule?
props don't allow you to take out more once they push you live. Their
No, but
live program's completely separate from their sim.
yeah, but what about the payout from the sim?
Sometimes it's not even available anymore. Look at TS. If you were on
Yeah,
your 4th day and you
true.
needed that 5th day, you don't meet the requirements, guess what? You're still live.
Hmm.
It's all in
Yeah,
their FAQs, guys. Like at the end of the day, and this is what we were talking about, like in Colombia with the prop firms and everyone. At the end of the day, you are utilizing their company, therefore, you must abide by their rules. Just because you made a profit doesn't mean it was your funds to deserve that profit. Because at the end of the day, we're leveraging them. They are not in technicality leveraging your money
yeah.
because your money doesn't even exist in a simulated environment.
You know how I'd run it? Because I feel like the safest way to run it, where you can guarantee the payout, is like grab 5 Lucids, 5 Tradeifys, and then like 5 top ones, and then just run them all separately and connect them through TradeSyncer. Even if you get one pay,
You
like
can't
what's
trade sync a lot of them.
really?
I know TOF in technicality you're not supposed to
Can you though?
can, but if they catch you. And to be honest, it's pretty easy to catch nowadays because you have to integrate it through your trade of 8 and they have full access to know what's going on, especially with trade prop. Like some props
You just
don't
have to
even
run it
have
how we used to run it, where you have just like 2 screens
yeah.
open and you just like enter,
A
and
lot
then
of props don't even have the manual lockout feature yet just because they haven't integrated it with their prop.
good morning, not available.
Like I said, guys, we're playing their game at the end of the day. And we're just hoping that we could win off of it. This is why like personal funds are still king. Just for myself, it doesn't make sense because it's either I'm going to get taxed at small cap gains or I'm going to get taxed as a subtract. Which one makes the
Yeah, if we lived in like
Puerto Rico?
yeah, that's the fucking move right there.
You can go
Make enough of a
faster.
bag, go to Puerto Rico, trade your own funds.
Tell me the password. We're sliding cities, sliding cities. You know what I
We are sliding
mean?
in the
Okay,
city.
guys, open in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what I
London
full
lows
port. There is a
up,
potential
down.
popskis.
Oh, wow. This open is I'm gonna size down today. I said it even before the market opened, like before we went live. I feel like today's a size down day.
I would need to be positioned above like 842.25, guys, for a position for longs, unless we can go sweep out some London lows or even get to a 750. Risk has to be around 20 points. Full confirmation at 700s. At 700s, I definitely have a lot more conviction inside of a trade. We'll have to stay a little bit loose with like 40 points. Make sure I can target the bottom of my range. But other than that, we are literally still trading the exact same freaking ranges for the past, what, 6 months now?
Yeah. You're
Literally
gonna
6
talk
months.
production.
Literally since my girl has been pregnant, we've been inside of the same range.
That's crazy. You impregnated NQ.
It looks like I'm going to have to exit Amazon if it stays under here, guys, for anyone in premium. Let's see if we can reclaim that 210 real quick. If it can't, again, I'm exiting on the underline.
I'm gonna enter a low risk short here. Just SL the top of that wick. And I'm in light, like I said, and I just want to see London lows pretty much. And then I'll just drag a nice chill in SL once we wick that.
Basically already there.
I'm up 30 points. Let's
close to an equal. Did that touch
You gotta
50
win
yet?
here.
Looks like me and John might be reverse position, guys. So
Yeah,
like I said,
I'm gonna SLBE just because of that 50.
yeah,
Oh, here we go.
there's that 50. I can enter in a small position, but I want to see. There's that London low. Get tapped.
I just dragged my SL tight, and I'm tapped out.
I'm gonna go on a small time frame, just see how volume is reacting
Easy.
off of that.
All right, start off with a nice light green. I'll take it.
Whoa, that just yelled in my ear.
That shit was loud, bro.
Order filled.
Your order has been filled. Is Top Step
Okay,
acting
so
up?
we just
Oh.
reversed position, and John took green, guys. I am currently up 19 points off that top. And look for the open. There's 25. Have fun with a potential trim. I'm going to move my stop up. Starting off today with a small bonje. And tapped out.
Yeah,
Very
today
tiny
feels
win.
it feels like a see green, take green kind of day. For sure.
We do got to be careful. I still like the long off of that 750. But, and again, I'll probably get a re-entry. And it was a lighter position. I would like to go heavier, but we'll see. Watch out for 790 to 800. That would be like first real conservative takes. And I did take there, but that was just off of an SL move. There it's 790. Nice. Good moves, guys. Good moves. So first
Beauty.
initial was 55.
Slide City. I'm sliding in the city. Who took that, by the way? Who took that short, and who's in the long? Oh.
We can break 800. I would like to see 820 or at least 812, which is our current New York Open. Get tested.
Fire. Yeah, the short was quick, but there was also a decent amount of time for entry.
And there's 800. Gonna drag my SL all the way up now, guys. And if it gets tapped, it gets tapped. But again, looking for that 812-ish. There it is. Beautiful
Nice.
fucking catch. There we go. 70
Beauty.
points already. And dragging that stop, like I said, all the way to 808. And we'll see what happens. Beautiful catch, guys. Beautiful catch.
That was hot.
Could even get a second move. Like I said, 850 would be my next level for a nice continuation long. But we were able to catch those London lows, mitigate that, and then push through all the way to our weekly anchored right now on, I'm on a 30-second. We're going a higher time frame now. Yeah, even on a 5-minute, our weekly is right there. And boom, tapped out.
Beauty.
Nice catch, guys. Nice fucking catch.
Very sexy, very hot. All right, chat. We printing? Everyone should have been able to take that long easy.
Nice 75. So here we're testing our open prints, guys, on the 1 minute. Trying to see how we respond to that 812. If we can break through 820, which is our weekly anchored and our previous week POC, then maybe we can see those highs of Asia at 42.25, which is where I like it, because then now you're positioned above your weekly anchored, your monthly anchored, and your previous week POC. But then you do have a lot of stacked levels nonetheless. Like you have your previous day low, you have your New York afternoon low, you have your previous month POC. So lots of levels to be working with if we can continue to hold above 820.
I'm entering a continuation long here. I can't lie. I'm in that. Nope, haven't entered. Encourage us to be careful, so we're being careful. That's fire. I mean, I'm also being careful, but my being careful is just sizing down.
And or just waiting for the setup.
Yeah.
Like John said where his short was, I said where my long is. And I literally said, I'm like, I will fade him if it happens. And he was green 30. Next thing you know, positioned off of the London lows, grabbed 70, and now we're just kind of waiting. So we're not forcing positions or anything. It's just be careful based off of your strategy at the end of the day. So just because you guys missed the trade or anything like that, it's fine. You don't have to force another. There's always going to be more trades. The market's always going to be here at the end of the day.
We caught 100 points together.
That city. That city.
Know what I mean?
Here it is off of 800 again.
Yeah, I want to see how it reacts off here. And I need you.
Da-da-da-da-da.
And I miss you. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Want it to
And
come back to
now I
777.
wonder.
Go for a long.
Oh, you know what? I forgot to remark the VI. Where is it? There it is. On the daily. That's just all the way up there, man. Let's see a break through this weekly anchored.
Back. Fall
Do that 20.
to this guy. I'll mark that with you.
Slide City. Slide City. Now I do have my SL at 770 here, which like technically could be lower, but like the risk just doesn't make sense. So I don't mind having a little bit of a tighter stop. Slide City. Oh, we are sliding in the city. I'm gonna get that breakthrough. I want to
Boom.
break free.
There she goes. Above our weekly now and our previous month POC. Could get a second leg here. I'm not entering just yet, guys.
Depending on this close on the 2-minute, I could drag up my SL dynamic R. But I've got to see a proper close for the structure. Structure.
So we are reclaimed above 210 on Amazon. That means a no cut just yet.
I want to break free. What's he doing? Alright, I see. I see. There you go. Yes, getting a little bit of a push. Little bit of a push. Still not working. Yo, you guys can hear us, right? It's just a Discord thing. Alright, good. Yeah, I don't know why Discord does that. Every once in a while, there's like a few people where it just does not work. And I don't like how we're struggling. See this close. Alright, mid close.
Back hurts.
You're back?
Been hurting.
My neck, my back, and my neck. Wow, look at that suck up. Holy.
I'll show you a sucker.
Wait, what?
Pardon?
What'd you say?
What do you say?
Green here again? What'd you say? You said what now?
Boom. Psht, psht, psht.
Damn. Ali Babula's Discord is
Oh.
cooked. It's
We got
all
sh-
types of fucked up, man. All types.
We're actually struggling to grab volume
Yeah.
up here, so I'd be careful if you are in longs, guys. And again, if you can position over 82 or sorry, 842, then you're pretty set for the continuation, at least to your previous day low at 75. So an extra 30 points on top of your Asia high.
Very interesting. It's very interesting. Yeah, this P is kind of mid right now.
So mid. We have just been so rangy during our opens, guys. Let's see what gold is giving us right now. gold off of the weekly anchored right now. Not be a bad trade.
Oh.
You know what? I'll bite. I'll bite gold.
Can I please plug in my mouse so
You're
I
at
can control my
64.
PC? Or there we go.
I'm gonna take a little. Wow.
Closed below 800. I'm probably gonna get tapped here at 70.
Multi bracket.
There's potentials for tap.
Order filled.
I want to break free.
So in on gold, guys, off of this weekly anchored, like I just said. Position is 564. My magnet. 564.1 currently in the red.
I want
SL
to break
is
free.
59.6.
You're entering a gold long.
Yep. And there we go. 3.5 currently. I'm on micro gold, by the way. Not going to look for much, guys. 69 to 70 would be nice conservative takes. We'll see.
Tap. Tapped out. Which is okay. I take that long all day. Could easily and potentially just reverse, but I wasn't willing to put my SL all the way on the floor and take that loss.
I want to.
Damn, this shit is mad, man.
Love to see right around an 8.7, but being conservative. Whoa. Being conservative.
Consorbative?
5.8 at 69. So basically,
Part of me wants to re-enter, but I'm gonna wait.
I want to actually get in a little heavier, guys.
Let me take a look at gold.
Wow.
Ew. Why does my chart look like that? What?
J.
Oh.
J. Juicy J.
Haha, very juicy. Wait, how does points work? I forget. It's like 10x, no? Or am I tweaking?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I understand. You're in longs?
I am.
What's your entry?
Initial entry was 5164.1. So literally right around. I did see highs of like 3 to 4, 3.9.
Mm-hmm.
Looking to target right around like 69.9 conservative. I mean, like absolute conservative, 68.5.
What is your SL? I don't even have the GC
I'm
chart
at
open right now.
59, but honestly, I do like 58.
I'll hit a 58.
Like
I will
even
hit a
at
58.
58, let's see. At least I adjust my DOM and ahead. I will do it.
I
See,
got the same. Mm-hmm. Yep, estimated. And then what are you targeting? TP for GC?
first take 69.9, but it looks like it's coming toward my SL anyway.
I do see that. But that is okay.
And that would only be a $254 loss, so still holding green, even if it does tap me out. If you guys wanted to stay looser, like 55, I just
I'm just happy I called even before we streamed that PA was gonna be mid and the size down.
it's so mid. Yeah. Oh, look, it just fucking NQ shit.
Yeah. I'm expecting NQ to at least take out Asia low before making any like decent move. Any reversal. It could. I don't know. NQ Loki could just shit, but I'm short for 720 in Asia low. Very nice.
Ye-
I want to make me.
How's everyone doing today? You guys green or red so far throughout this day?
Asia lows have been taken. W Zulu. Green, fire.
And there is our monthly open as well, guys, here at 80s. So bottom of my range is 72 to that 80. I'd be okay taking a trade on NQ simultaneously. You just got to be very careful managing 2 trades if you guys are.
What are you in NQ longs?
I am, and then I am targeting 649 SL, so staying looser on this one for sure. Wow, beautiful catch, guys. Holy shit. Right to 700 off the rip skis. Talk about a fucking bottom tick, huh?
What's a good TP?
It would be your London lows, or at least just shy of like 40.
I was really looking at 40.
Yep.
I was looking at it. What's GC doing right now? Almost SL'd. Okay. I want to be free.
You guys could move SL up, like right underneath 700. Trade your own trade at the end of the day.
I got mine at 70.
That was a nice, just shy of 40 point, guys, right there. Looking to target right around 50 points.
What was your entry on NQ?
83.5.
Damn, that's tough.
Yep. And here we go, approaching my 39 PT that I have for myself right now for half of the position. Moving SL into profits now. And it's just shy of that PT, guys. You guys can dynamic R and take for that 9 points. Like, why risk the extra gain? Like I always say. Trade your trade, baby. Trade your trade. Trader Joe's.
Huh, Trader Joe's. Welcome to Trader Joe's.
Still red on GC. And you know what? With the extra profits, I'm okay loosening up my SL now just to make sure that that can actually abide by my chart. So that is now at 54.9. I just got failed on NQ.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Still ripping. There's,
yeah.
there's 760. Still going, baby. Absolutely sexy move. There's another 70-point catch. That's actually at 80 right now. And ripping. Moving that SL all the way up now to 740, 739. And beautiful fucking trade, guys. Beautiful trade.
I'm green now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm green.
Such a sexy trade, guys. Such a sexy trade.
GC. I'm green on GC too.
We love that, baby. We love that. Oh, yeah. We green across the board.
Hell yeah, baby.
Green across the board. Absolutely sexy trades, guys.
One of my trims on NQ right there.
I've been gone for a long time. Did JJ get a payout yet? He did, baby. In one singular month, guys, this guy pulled out over 10K. I'm about to get tapped out on this long. Let's see. Unless it can hold that 750. SL is at 738. And wow, beautiful SL still holding.
Yeah, I already trimmed majority and I have my SL 34.
Self as well, baby. Myself as well. GC holding. See if we can get that push all the way up to 69.9. Again, 9.
I want to break free.
Stop field. Nice. NQ just got
Tap.
tapped, guys. Beautiful win over there.
Yep.
Still holding GC that was
Yep.
in the green, currently sitting at break even. Very, very tiny position over there. So I'm kind of just chilling. I actually still trust GC as well, so mind adding myself. But again, that's just for me. And it's right around breaking. So if you're holding your position, hold it. Currently up 3K across 3 evals, guys.
W,
And
low
again, it is
battery.
evals. We're not going to try to flex like I just made $9,000. Like, no.
Huh.
We're honest here at Prophub.
No, let's lie like everybody else.
Yeah,
Guys, I
for
made
real.
$20,000.
Yo, did you see that guy getting called out on
Yeah,
X?
I
You
did.
did?
Yeah.
Where they literally like froze his screen,
It
zoomed
showed.
in,
It showed he was
and
on
it
demo.
showed. Oh,
And
that
he was literally saying, he's like, I have no reason to lie. I'm showing you this is a real cash account, and this is demo.
yeah, fucking goofa. Okay,
Ridiculous.
just added in on that GC. Again, I am trading with a lot of profits right now. Let me make sure
You
I
give
have.
yourself 58?
No, I adjusted it.
To what?
So 58
55?
is a good SL. I adjusted it to 54.9 just to match my chart a little bit more. And also, guys, NQ is back at those similar levels right now. So it's currently testing our Asia low and that monthly open, which is exactly where I got inside of that trade. So you could potentially get a second leg once again, but wait it out, see what's going on.
Hmm.
It's actually a very nice low risk trade. The only thing is I like keeping my SL right around that 650 mark. So it's still 30 points of risk. So as long as you guys can adjust for that, then taking a trade around these levels isn't horrible. There it is, actually.
The NQ long?
Yeah. Smack it. That's my golden extent or weekly extension range. They're at 75. And then we do have our ADR lows here as well. Stop just got filled on gold, guys. So that trade was a loss. And now I'm only in.
Mm-hmm. Trying to figure out my SL right here. Right over
60, like 60 is a good safe target for an SL. I'm positioned at 49 or 40. Should be around. Yeah, that was meant to be. There's green on the board right now.
It was
Not
meant to
much.
be.
Still waiting it out, guys. If it holds underneath my weekly range, it gets really dangerous. But I'm going to trust, see if we can see a wick into these levels. Also, we do have a virgin POC at.
Do we?
Yep. So it could come test that 40 first. You know how NQ feels about virgins.
Huh, it loves them. Truly, it loves them.
I want to break free. To break free.
I almost like.
Oh, good talk.
I almost like shorts on NQ, I can't lie.
Yeah, I mean, if it holds underneath my range, then for sure coming close to my SL at 47. And if
I'm
so,
flipping sides.
yeah, flipping sides is definitely the move. I would just be careful to see if it goes to retest that range at 75. Because like I said, it could easily wick down and then pop back up. But I am in shorts. We did reverse, me and John.
Mm-hmm.
Do not marry your trades, guys. Whoa, what did I delete?
For real.
Oh. 45. So that just touched that virgin POC as well. So now we got to really be careful. especially any reclaims over 72.
Mm-hmm. All right, I got my SL at like 83. I'm gonna go take a piss. And hopefully I come back printing.
At all. Oh. He put his at 83. He's at 80.75. Open is at 80. Yeah, you know what? 83 is actually probably smart. But any reclaims back inside 75, I like the long initially. It broke, but again, could easily have just tested these lows and then pops back up. My initial was the long at that 70. Dun, 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 dun. Back to break even here for me. I don't know, John. 44. I'm at 45. 45.75. To be honest, I wouldn't even mind reducing risk even more. Putting SL at like 6 or at least 75 back inside that.
All right. Mm-hmm. High key, I'm gonna move SL. Probably to like
That's what we were just
like
talking about.
70.
75 is the start of my range. 70 to
Yeah.
75.
Yeah, I'm gonna do like 72.50.
And again, guys, that Virgin POC was at 640, so it's holding above it right now
Wait, why don't I see that?
because it got mitigated.
I understand.
It's not the Virgin no more.
Oh.
We touched it. And it is holding above it. So if we were holding below that VPOC, then obviously that would give us a better picture for a short. Right now, we're just chilling at the bottom of this range. Any reclaims above 675, I'm going to have to flip sides one last time.
Yeah.
Being hacked. I have a massive
W
target
Colton.
all the way at 5.5.
Oh, they got tapped out there.
5. I'm still in. I'm keeping mine at 85 right now. But again, at 75 reclaims, going to have to flip again, which sounds horrible, but just trading off the levels, which is what I always do. That got tapped. I'm going to have to flip, like I said, guys, and there's a rip. Oh, good flip, but sucks to catch that L initially.
Mm-hmm.
83.25, and I didn't even catch that trim at the top there. 25 points. See if I can target 46, which was my initial target off of that 70. Back under 75, I'm probably going to call it. I don't like when it flip-flops at my levels.
Yeah. I know what you mean, man.
But there's 700, guys. If you guys are inside of the same trade as me, that's 25 points right there. And also your previous week VAL. So feel free to trim, do whatever you guys need to do. That puts me at flat for the day, just barely green, plus 200 from up 3K. So a little bit of a rough flip flop here at these bottom levels. And you guys know that I was long at 675, but from 675 all the way down to 630 would have been a juicy loss if I just kept holding that.
That's on type shit.
Well, I do like the fact that we're holding. Might need to buy into this all the way up to our London low, hold 700. I'm going to do that and then reduce my risk by dragging SL all the way up. There we go. There's 720, guys. 35 points now. And again, watching for like 740, 746, 735 to start it off. I'm going to put my limit in at 34.25 for my first potential trim and moving one of my stops. Fuck their link.
Huh.
All the way in profits. And then the other one, I'm keeping it below. Basically breaking. No matter what, I'm taking green off of this trade. Just matters how much green now. So it is approaching my first PT at 34. And again, the main PT is going to be that 46.25, which is your London low. But beautiful catch. That's 40 points now. And we are deep in the green, especially after that add in and reducing risk. Going to continue to drag that first stop up. Well, that was an aggressive drag up.
I understand. I understand it now.
It's just 4 points shy, guys. So there we go. Wow. That one
Beauty.
ticked me. That one ticked me.
For real, for real?
Yeah. One of my stops just got filled. And I'm going to take myself out of that position, guys. And then I'm going to hold the initial, moving my stop all the way up. And if I get tapped out, I get tapped out. But that did just tap my PT at that 34. Main PT at 46, like I've been saying. And my SL now is all the way at like 1. So watch for that 46.
Mm-hmm.
See if we can get anything there. And I'm now back to just shy of 3K again, guys. So there it is. There's 3K. And there's my PT at 46. So let's see if we can get a little bit more. If not, I'm fine with it. And that just took me out. Whoa. It put me in a GC trade. I must have not flattened.
You've got to be skidding me?
I'm green. Not a lot, but I am green. That was a massive pop from GC. That ended up going all the way to that 69 that I wanted. I'm gonna hold that position, I guess. You guys don't have to be in this one. Not off of levels. It is off of structure, so I don't mind holding it.
I want to be free. I want to be free.
That was a nice 63-point play, by the way, guys. Caught a few 70 pointers, caught the 60 as well. And then obviously a few L's across the board. Still green on the day, just around that 3K mark. And now I'm inside of a gold that forgot to cancel all orders. But that is as well right now. Cost average is 64. It is at 66.4. So talking 2 points, 3 points right there. I would like at least 65 for streams. For that imbalance to get filled on. I'll bite.
Don't be a dick for it too. No cap.
Gizzards.
No cap, no gizzard. Hello, are you a lizard?
Happy.
You would be a very happy boy.
That was just shy, guys. 5 for trim. And
Mm,
there's the gold fill. Nice trade
damn.
right there. And move my stop. 2 profits.
Are you chilling like a villain?
Yeah. Nice trade right there, guys.
I wanted to
Oh,
sweep Asia low for a long. Oh, he swept Asia lows. Am I tweaking?
be a dick for it. Real.
Caught a quick scalp of 200 off that pop. Nice. Oh, again. Hmm. Huh.
And that's approaching my PT at 1. So I'm going to move my stop and my PT. And whichever one gets filled, which it looks like stop. Some of my stop just got filled. And all of it fully stopped. Nice trade on GC, you guys. So wins across
Good
the
shit.
board right now. Absolute printer day already. All right. I'm currently up basically 3.3 cross accounts.
George, we did. What did you do? What did you do?
What do you do?
What did you do?
What do you do, ho? What do you do, baby? What do you do, ho?
What did you do? Oh, sweep Asia lows.
Sweet. It's so sweet.
Sweet
It's
Asia
so
lows.
sweet. These Asia lows, they are delicious.
They are
Dulce.
delicious.
Dulce, dulce.
Delicious Asia lows. Ha. You've got to be skidding me. Me in long? Not available. Is in the long, ladies and gentlemen. I like this. It's delicious.
Must be aestheticious. Right? That one's so good. That one's not harsh at all, Rams, if you want to try it. It's really not harsh at all.
You're officially in Prophub.
Yes!
Ah.
That one's so good. Yeah. It's so
You've
good.
got to be kidding me.
We are officially.
Clip it, baby. Clip that. Again?
Hello? Oh, there we go.
What?
Patel said, stop sending love notes to each other. But we love. We love love.
Well, no what?
Love is my favorite form of love.
Think so.
I think that's on type shit.
Think we are done for today's session, guys. We had beautiful catches off the bottom. Took a couple losses. Huh? Oh, wait a second. Wait a
We're
second.
not done.
Jonathan just reminded me we do have exactly, Patel, we do have the giveaway. So let me take those, John, and give them a little bit of entertainment while I run this real quick.
What's up? Welcome to the Prophub stream where you are never bored, taking bangers on NQ and gold in the Discord. Whoa. Yeah, that's a bar that you know. Who is Patelk? Oh, whoa, that's a joke. Don't be sad. Ace up trades, he's not your dad. Take your own place. Don't copy us unless you want to be very profitable. Ha! Was that entertaining? Should I get signed? Thought it was pretty good. No? It's just me? Take my money. Give me more. Ha ha ha. He said he wanted more, so I'm going. I'm spitting. I'm doing that like religion, and everybody know I'm rocking and ripping and never trip. All right. It's pretty good. I understand. I missed it. What happened? Is he done? Is who done? Ace up traits is setting up the account aliases. Am I done rapping? Yeah, I'm done. I thought it was pretty. I think that was enough. This is shitting while typing. Haha, and I'm typing while I'm shitting. That was 10. I understand. Not available. Are you still in that long? I'm assuming your SL's below that wick.
All right, guys.
Yeah, guys,
put
you
the
need
names.
to make sure to have the server tag so you can win the account. Bars. I ain't talking
Not-
candle
I mean-
bars.
Not for this. This was the purchases.
Oh, this is actually, I lied. You don't need the server tag for this giveaway, but
Just do it anyway.
just do it anyway. Why does everything have to be for a reward? Look at my gold. Type shit.
Look at this gold.
Oh. I'm chosen. I am actually, as you would call, I forgot what the word was. What was I saying? What is it called when you're when oh, I'm worthy. Haha, I'm worthy. Look at this. The shits are typing and the shitting is taking trades. Haha. Not available. Bought 2 accounts, Jit. Type. I understand. JJ, what do you see on MNQ right now? We're rejecting daily VWAP, but we're holding above a lot of value area lows. I actually do like the longs. I would be careful after sweeping that high at, let me get the exact number, 47.50, which we didn't sweep on NQ yet.
All right.
Chart wise, I like it, but PA today has been like rangy and choppy and kind of ass. So yeah.
All right. So the rules of the giveaway, okay, was if you guys had purchased 1 account to 2 accounts, you get those entries. Anything over 3 accounts or more, you do have double entries. So I just did that inside of ChatGPT. I put in all of the names and I said, hey, 1 occurrence to 2 occurrence, you keep it the same. 3+ occurrences, double the count. And it just did that. So I'm now copying that, putting that inside of our duck race game. Create a new room, log in, sure, whatever. And Rams, which one do I share? Chart? Share new. Boom. Good. I did P&L. Sorry. Do you want me to do link? Yeah.
Hey, I agree with Patelk. He said, Ace, you do it today. Haven't heard you be the auctioneer in a while. Facts. It's all you.
Well, I would consider that, except for the fact that I just set up the names. Therefore, it shall not be me.
I don't care.
I've done it again.
No,
I guess it's going to be a quiet one again.
Nope. You need to do it. You have to do it.
Wow.
What?
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Oh, does it not fit?
That's what I'm checking right now. Yeah, but my room is unlimited. There you go. Room name. TOF giveaway from Prophub. Boom. 281 names.
Damn.
But I mean, we also did Slack for a long time.
Yeah.
And again, it's also like triple entries for some
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
Holy sharp bucket.
I don't. You're not sharing your screen. Let me see this. Do that.
Maybe ping giveaway channel. Say,
Hey, I'm $10 away from passing, but my account resets today. So get the $10. What are you waiting for? Oh shit! I undid this.
okay, so we're gonna do 5 today, 5 tomorrow, 5 on Monday.
Bet. All right, you actually auctioneer this. I always do it.
I'm pretty sure Rams did it last time.
Yeah. Well, I guess it's your turn now.
I don't make the rules. I enforce them. John, go.
Oh. And we are off.
We got
let's see.
Quacks. We got Kyle
Oh
up
my
in the
God.
lead.
Oh my God.
Colton coming from the back.
Colton. Oh,
Edwin out of
Edwin.
nowhere. Edwin.
Is Edwin here? At Edwin.
They don't have to be here for this one.
But is he?
Edwin for the first ducky, guys. We're running it back. We're doing these nice and quick. Not trying to take up your guys' time. Shortest duck race of all time. It's 10 seconds. That's a good amount of time. Holy, 10 seconds? Man, that's a marathon in some people's eyes.
All right, you run this one. You run this one. You run this one.
I run this one?
Mhm.
I was just running the last one. Anyways, guys, we got Brianna so out of nowhere. Edwin again. Michael coming out of nowhere. We got Jayla. Jayla W. Jayla.
Wait, check the leaderboards on the bottom right. Who came last? Who's the most ass? I have to know.
I was gonna say Rams. Kyle. Kyle
Damn.
double L for Kyle.
Damn. L for
Double
Kyle.
L for Kyle, guys. W Jayla. Sad day for Kyle, for real.
All right, for the third one, let's both do it together at the same time.
Okay, how about this? I take the bottom half, you take the top half of ducks.
But I'm not the bottom.
I don't think you are, Rams. Did you use code PHUB? I don't think you did. Anyways, let's start it off.
All right, and we're off. We got Eric at the bottom. Oh, that's so crazy. We got Randy Rue. We got Jermaine. Oh,
We got Carlos out of nowhere.
Carlos.
ES.
Carlos.
Paul. Paul came in out of nowhere, guys.
That was crazy. Who's last? Who's in last?
I said, yo, you know what's funny? I read R and then I read Paul. So I said Raul. Oh, man. What a good day to be, Paul.
Who's in last place? So I can
Good
talk
job,
shit?
Raul. Good job, Raul.
Eh? Who's in last place so I can talk shit?
All right. It's going to be Kyle again. Charlie.
And
Kyle. What a sad day to be Kyle. All right, guys, let's run it back. Boom, starting.
All right, I'm gonna guess what color. What color do you think's gonna pass? I think green.
Ooh, what color? What color?
Green.
Oh, I like that. I like Colton. I like Colton.
Oh.
Colton's gonna win. Colton's gonna take the dub. W Colton.
Damn, W.
Let's go, Colton. Let's run it. Holy schmokies. Yes, sirree. Holy, we got one more duck for today. We got one last duck for today.
Let's hit it. Baby girl, what's your name?
That's
And
because
we're
I
off.
won the other one last week. Oh, let's go, Shanty Pants.
Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
Who's gonna be? Oh, we're flying.
oh.
Eric! Eric's flying! Eric is flying! Holy
Eric went
smoky!
crazy.
What in the hecky?
Eric,
Where am I,
went
guys?
crazy.
Everyone has been extracted, so your guys' name should be here. I didn't want to dox anyone, so I only put the last two letters of someone's last name. You guys should be able to see yourselves. We did not cheat the system. You guys should see your names.
Damn, Colton loves his entries, and he won. He cheated the system.
Well, it's because he got the 15
Oh yeah.
Sim Pros.
Damn, what the duck? For real.
Congrats to these 5 people, guys. We are going to run it back again tomorrow.
Wait, can we run one more duck race, and whoever gets in last place
Gets a duck, gets a giveaway.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Inverse.
Yeah.
We're inversing it, guys.
Last place gets an account.
We're inversing it. Inverse. Who can be the slowest?
It's an IFEG. All right, so who's the worst right now? Kyle's throwing. Who else is throwing? Carlos is throwing. Edwin is throwing. Oh my
Edwin's
god,
hella
you don't even know who wins until we check. You gotta scroll down slow. Get close.
Didn't.
Oh, who's it gonna be? It's 281, right? Huh? Oh, who's it gonna be?
Edging.
Oh,
Colton.
Wait.
Wait. Bang. Chad.
Wow, Chad.
Chad. You are
Chad.
slow, you slow poke looking ass. Congrats on the account though. But you are slow.
W.
W. My
Hey.
name not in there. Ignacio. Well, did you purchase an account? Ha! Let me triple check. I did all the names.
007. Now one more duck race for the middle winner.
And it's guys, this one is specifically with top 1 future. Specifically with top 1 future.
Mhm. I purchased one when Mr. Topstep was on the live. Mr. Topstep.
Mr. Topstep. We've never had Mr. Topstep on our live. My brain is hurting.
Wait, Nexisi, did you get was it top ones?
Mr. Ignacio. Was it with top 1? Otherwise, I'm going to have to talk to our affiliate manager and say, you are cheating our members.
I mean, it's okay. We have 10 more duck races to do in the next 2 streams.
Well,
so
-1. We didn't. Because you wanted the last.
oh, 9 more, 9 more. When Clay was here. Flip, did you not see your name?
Okay, wait. Those entries didn't count for when Clay was here.
It was a different code.
Because that was a whole different code.
Yeah.
It had to be code PHUB. Sorry, guys. That's why some of you guys aren't showing up. Because you guys got the extra discount. We can't extract that name because that's not our code. We can only extract the names that are under code PHUB. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, but Nexisi said that he used Phub.
Code Phub stream. PHUB stream.
We got a message thing. Make sure he extracted all the names properly.
Okay, we'll double check for tomorrow's poll. Make sure that all the names are extracted perfectly. Yeah.
Type.
All
right, W stream. P was kind of asked today, but decent goes. W Duck Race. Make sure you guys use code PHUB for all the best discount codes possible.
When I look up Prophub on YouTube, sometimes I do Prophub. Shit goes south fast.
Probably.
That's hilarious. But yeah, guys, congrats to the winners. We will be sending the emails to our affiliate manager.
Yep.
Yeah, we love you guys and peace out later. Good stream today, guys. Beautiful stream. Peace.
Bow.